today's video, we're going to show you how to change the cord on your washer. So the first thing you want to do to remove the cord on your washer is to be able to gain access to it. And to do that, you're of course going to be unplugging it from your wall, and you may also want to remove your hoses off the back so that you can get easy access to the washer. So on this machine, you're going to do the removal from the back. Most washers or power cords are attached through the back of the machine, either through the console or through the back of the frame. This one's through the console, so we're going to show you how to do that. If it is through the back frame, then you're going to probably need to remove a back panel, or possibly you have to lift the top. But most are easily accessed through the console or just through that back panel. So all we really need to do this is just a Phillips screwdriver. Got to remove a couple of screws that allow the console to flip forward. Then you're able to tip the console forward. And again, on other machines, that those screws may be just holding the back panel. That'll be removed so you can gain access to it. And once you've gained access to where the power cord is, usually it has a strain relief. In this case, it just sets down into a recessed portion of the console to hold it. Other machines, it'll be a type of a plastic clamp that you'll have to squeeze to pull it back out, but they all have some form of retention so that the cord doesn't easily pull out of the machine. It may even just be a clamp that goes over the top with a couple of screws. Whichever method it is, you'll want to remove that, and then follow your cord through to find out where the connection is into the main wiring harness or to the control board. So to lift the cord out, we're just going to pop it out of the strain relief. And now we need to remove this cover. And again, that's just another Phillips screw. To remove the cover on this one, you just need a little blade screwdriver. That allows you to remove the cover. So all I had to do was just take a small screwdriver and just apply a little pressure to help squeeze that in so it popped out of its retainer. And we can just set that aside for now. Now in this machine, we can see that our power cord comes up and attaches, in this case, a noise suppressor. Your machine may not have one of those. This connection might be just into the regular wiring harness. It may go up and connect to the back of a control board, but in the case of today, this one's attached to the noise suppressor and just has a quick disconnect. We just have to wiggle and lift off, and then our cord is free. This one has a ground wire that attaches to the frame. So with our Phillips screwdriver, we'll just remove the Phillips screw that makes that ground connection. This is a very important connection. You want to make sure that the ground wire from the cord is attached to the chassis. That way, if there was something that was to ever be shorted, a component that had gone bad, that when you touch the frame of it, you're not going to get the shock. It's actually going to go through this wire. So that's all our wiring is now removed. We can slip it out through the harness, away from the machine, in order to discard it and replace it with another.